If you want to close your Snapchat account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you deactivate or permanently delete your account. Step 1. Open Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Step 4. Find Account Actions. Scroll down to the Account Actions section within the Settings menu and select Delete Account. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion of your account. You may need to enter your username and password to finalize the process. Once you complete these steps, your Snapchat account will be scheduled for deletion. Remember that it may take some time for your account and data to be fully removed. If you change your mind, you can reactivate your account within 30 days by logging back in.